Hi guys, so today we'll have a 2017 Toyota RAV4 LE all-wheel drive. So today we're gonna do a transmission service on this car, and we're gonna show you all the process. I have my friend coming today. It's coming from New Jersey, so we're gonna do transmission service for him because dealership doesn't want to do the transmission on this cars. So this one has a CO transmission, no dipstick, and we're gonna show you the tricks. And please guys, if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe, because I see a lot of people watch my videos, do likes, do subscribe. And we'll see you, stay with me for a couple of minutes. So first thing you need to open the plug to drain the oil. You need to use this one because Toyota use special tools. So this one never gets opened before, so we're gonna open it like that. I already opened before. So like that. And take it off. Like that. Loosens a little bit. And the second thing we have to do, the place we're gonna add fluid, so we have to open this plastic from here. Let's see if to open it. You can jack the car and take these tires out if you want. But I prefer to do it like that because I have to. So like that, and the back sides here. Let's see if you can see it. That's good. Back side of the transmission. You see the plug is right there. This is the plug where you have to add fluid from. I'll show you guys after that. So the tools you have to use for the second one to open the place we're gonna add in fluid, we're gonna use 1516 to open the plug up here. It's the plug, it's right there. See, there is no room to work on this car. So turn that and you open it. Yeah, there is no room to work in this car. There we go. Open it. So finish it while you had. This way is better. Take the tires out and take this plastic from the sides, and you can do it. And take the plug. Okay. There's the plug. And make sure always save the washer, don't lose it. And after second thing we're gonna do, we're gonna drain the car. We're gonna drain the car. Here we go. Now we drain the oil. Pretty much exactly, it's gonna be like coming 1 quart, but I gotta flush it. I didn't keep adding fluid in the transmission. Actually, everything's coming brand new, and after that we close. I keep my washer stays stuck there. I don't want to mess with it. I don't want to get the washer going here. So until be done and.
Oh, thank you.
Okay guys, so pretty much we drained all fluid. We come out with 2 quarts. 2 quarts on transmission. Yeah, 2 quarts. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add, take a pump, like a hand pump, put a full synthetic max life, and we're gonna put it in the place here. We're gonna keep adding until the fluid start coming like brand new. And I'll show you the process. Stay with me guys. So okay guys, so I gotta put 2 quarts on the buckets right there. I gotta use the 3 quart there. So I gotta flush the transmission now. So I gotta use this side here and go to type the place to add in fluid. Put it in place, okay. And on one side and this side here, and you pump it until the fluids start coming. Or make sure the fluid's coming clean. So guys, how you see now? Keep adding fluid. Like that we can flush it better, clean the fluid, make sure the fluid coming clean. No.
This one doesn't have camera.
So keep adding fluid until to make sure the fluid's coming brand new, clean. It's coming not sloshing on or nothing. Now we're gonna be adding like 3 quarts to flush the transmission to make sure the oil pan for the transmission gets clean and everything gonna be better. An easy job, you can do it by yourself. You have a jack. See, fluid keeps start coming out. Okay, to the fluid now, start coming clean. After that, I did the flush. Yeah, pretty much we're done. With the back I do. Clean the area really good. And put your plug back. Put the plug back. And we're done here. Now we're gonna do the adding the 2 quarts. We take it off, and we'll go from there. Stay with my shade. So now we're adding the fluid. 2 quarts. I hold it the place. We can add it with the pump. There's only way you can do it, so you have to do it manually. So like I would say, guys, just take the tires out and add in fluid. So the last thing we have to do, make sure the washer is good condition, or you can buy one from the dealer, and you have to go on the sides back, and you have to put it back to the place. And be careful, don't lose the washer. Okay, I put the plug back, and we have to tighten it, and we're done. I'll go start the car and shift it. Stay with me. So guys, today we're gonna do shift the car. Okay, get the car reverse.
Reverse?
So we put in reverse for 10 seconds. Make sure the flow circulates. Now neutral.
Neutral? Yeah.
And drive.
Drive?
Wait for 10 seconds again. Neutral. And drive, neutral, reverse, sorry. And parking. I'll let the car run a couple minutes until the fluid gets circulate better.